Hello everyone, welcome to G's Kitchen. Today we are going to see yet another interesting recipe, a sweet Faluda recipe. This is a special version. Come, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients. So here I have taken a glass, a bigger one. Into this I am going to make the Faluda. This is rose syrup. It's sweet, so add accordingly. Just add little bit on the glass so that it gives a nice design. Just a little bit. Now here I have taken some pineapples. You can use mangoes instead. Mangoes gives a nice flavor. Little bit of pineapple goes in. Then goes in little bit of papaya. You can add apples or mangoes instead. And then in goes some basil seeds or sabja seeds. Just add 1 tablespoon. I have soaked this in normal water for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is a very healthy one. This reduces the heat of our body, and also it helps us in losing weight, and also it helps us in our sugar levels. And then this is an optional one. These are jelly. I have store bought it. You can make the jelly if you want at home. I have taken 3 colors of jelly, so I am adding it in. This is a very famous drink back in Sri Lanka. When you go to Colombo, the capital of Sri Lanka, you can see Bombay sweet, and this is one of favorite dishes at that shop. We always have this there. And these are rice vermicelli or rice noodles. I have soaked this in hot water for a while, just about 5 to 8 minutes. And now I am going to add that in as well, a little bit. Then goes in little bit of syrup. And in goes some chilled milk. I have boiled the milk and then I have chilled it. About 3/4 cup, and then repeat the same. You don't have to add in any sugar because the syrup contains sugar. Sabja seeds. Some jelly. This is a very sweet recipe. So normally when we have this, we used to have chicken samosa or mutton samosa along with it, so that it balances the taste. And finally, I am going to add in around 1 scoop or 1.5 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Along with little bit of milk. I have used only little bit. This is about 30 milliliter cup. I have used about 15 milliliters of syrup. And now our Faluda is ready. If you feel it's not sweet enough for you, then you can add some sugar when you are boiling the milk. Then it gives a nice sweetness as well. But it also, the sweet syrup also contains sweet, so wash on your sweet content. Now the tasty Faluda is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.